Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Oppo Reno 10 Pro. And the first one will be to translate, so you can translate basically any language using your Google Assistant, and if you have volume up on your phone you'll also get the loud translation, so that's very useful for traveling. And let's try it. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem burgera.
by the way, I can now.
Next one will be to count calories. You can count calories in basically any food, and you can ask Google for it. Hey Google, how many calories in a Big Mac?
There are 257 calories in 100.
There's the answer the same way. Next one is to find your phone. So this happens to everybody. Sometimes you leave your phone somewhere and you can't find it inside your house. And Google Assistant can help you with that, but first you will need to activate it for the lock screen, and also it's necessary to have volume up on your phone. Then you can ask your Google, where are you? Or you can also ask to play some music. Hey Google, where are you?
I live in a house built out of pixels. Look how pretty it is.
Your phone will make a sound, and that way it will be easy to identify where it is. And the last 2 tips will be to call somebody. First of them is to call somebody, so you can ask Google to call someone from your contacts list. Hey Google, call my mom.
Okay, what's your mother's name?
Now you can change basically anyone from your contacts with ma'am. And the next one is to send a message, so you can send SMS a message to anybody, and you can also say to Google what should be included in that message. So for example, hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Got it. What's your mother's name?
And as you can see, it works kind of fine, but you need to replace mom with somebody from your contacts. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.